Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So first of all, open Facebook, look at the right side, tap onto profile. After that click on settings and privacy, then go to settings, look at the left side, click on see more in account center, click on personal details, click on choose the second option, select your account, continue, and type here your Facebook password, click on to continue, and then finally click on to deactivate my account, then successfully deactivate your Facebook account. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.